Days into the school year and already a story making parents nervous. Deputies arresting a teen with a BB gun on a Bay Area school bus, and it's not the only one they found. ABC Action News reporter Maricela Burgos is live tonight in Pinellas County in front of Largo High School with more details on this. Maricela?
Deputies say he faces a number of charges. They also said that he didn't threaten anybody and nobody was injured. But after talking to parents of students that attend Largo High School, they told me they are so thankful that bus driver reacted like that. Before back-to-school night Thursday evening, many parents didn't expect to receive a safety alert from the principal 4 days into the school year.
I feel that the school took care of it very swiftly, very promptly, and notified us right away.
On one Largo High School bus, the driver saw what she thought was a student holding a handgun. Authorities say she dialed 911 immediately and pulled over near St. Petersburg College Seminole campus. She even went up to the 15-year-old boy and demanded he give it to her. The student did.
I'm glad the bus driver was alert enough and realized what they were doing to stop them.
Pinellas County Sheriff's deputies discovered the weapon was a BB gun and not a handgun. The 15-year-old student was arrested. As deputies investigated, they found a second BB gun on the bus in another student's backpack.
Very surprised, nervous, worried, and I'm glad the bus driver did notice that and sprang into action.
The high school principal did too, sending parents this message about what happened this afternoon as the school bus was dropping off students. One parent says this is exactly the reason why she likes getting alerts.
Oh, it's great. You always know that you're in the know. Whatever happening at the school, you're notified.
Not only is the sheriff's office investigating, but authorities here at the high school, they're going to determine how these two students are going to be disciplined. Reporting live, Maricela Burgos, ABC Action News.